Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, Facebook. It is Monday, the 28th? Monday the 28th. It is 6:45 in the morning. Going off for a run here in a few minutes, meeting a friend, so I've got to make this quick. Lots of stuff going on here this last week at Aroma Time. Thank you, everybody, for your support. It's been fantastic. Our soup kitchen was great. Thank you, everybody, for donating. We really, really appreciate that. Tonight is our wine dinner. I believe we might be sold out. I don't know if we have any seats left. We have a wine dinner tonight, 4 winter red wines with a dish, $25. So that is tonight, 647-3000 if you want in on that. There might be 2 seats left, I'm not sure. It's going to be a busy night tonight. We've got lots of takeouts already and lots of reservations. So that's fantastic. When I mean a lot, we only have 7 tables inside, so because we're socially distanced. So what seems like a lot this year was not much last year. So based upon our limited capacity, we have a lot. So I want to talk about our New Year's Eve deal, which is happening on New Year's Eve. I'm sorry, that's my beet juice. Before I go run, I like to do a couple shots of beet juice. So New Year's Eve, we're doing a New Year's Eve party box. And this New Year's Eve party box is an amazing deal. And people asked this yesterday. I posted this yesterday on Facebook. It got reached 4,300 people, 830 engagements, and 54 shares. 54 people shared this. Jamie and I shared it. So let's say 50 people shared it to be fair. 50 people shared this post without me asking them to share it. And people are saying, how come your New Year's Eve is such a good deal? It's a crazy good deal. It's an insane deal. How is it possible? So basically, New Year's Eve, for 2 people to go, it's $150. You get 3 bottles of wine. You get 2 cocktails, a lobster mac and cheese, our cheese plate, a choice of a ribeye or a salmon dish or a vegetarian dish, 2 desserts, H&H bagels, smoked salmon, wild coho salmon, these French donuts that are amazing, this organic cream cheese from Organic Valley that we have on our grocery list, and a mimosa kit, which is more organic, which is the same bottle of the 3 bottles of sparkling wine I mentioned earlier, and organic orange juice. So what Jamie and I did was we added that up, the retail value of that, which would have been like, if you would have bought all that separately, it would have been like $185. So I said, you know what? If you're taking it to go, I don't have wait staff waiting on you and things like that. So I have to scale that differently and say, okay, I can give you a discount. That's why our specials to go are at a great discount, because you're not occupying a seat. I don't have to wash your dishes. I don't have to have a wait staff waiting on you. That all adds up. That can become very expensive. So that's why we've always been very competitive on takeout since the pandemic started, since COVID started, is because we're factoring in you're not sitting here and I'm not paying for heat for you and all these other things. That adds up a lot. Staff is up to 30% of the equation. Of course, we're still cooking your food for you, but the wait staff costs money too. It all adds up. So let's say, okay, this equals $185. $150 is totally fair for that. It's a great price for you. It's a great price for us. And we're able to do it for $150. Now, we sold over 10 of these yesterday. So if you want in on this, I would call today. Jamie, what time can they start calling?
I'm going for a walk and I'm working out, so 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, you can start calling 647-3000 to get in on this deal. So we looked at a couple other restaurants who did something similar to this, and it seems the common theme was most restaurants are charging more for these New Year's boxes, these New Year's deals, these New Year's whatever you want to call them. We call it our party box. But the restaurants that we're doing it, we analyze some restaurants across the country that we follow, that we kind of feed off ideas from, and not copy, but kind of feed off of ideas. And they were charging more than it actually would have costed, which didn't make sense to us. We know it's New Year's Eve. We know it's a premium price, but I don't think there's any reason to charge extra for something like that, especially when it's takeout only. So that's the deal. New Year's Eve party box for 2. It's $150. That's $75 a person. If you want to upgrade, you can. If you want, I don't want to say better wine, but if you want different wine, you can. The wine that's included in there is our $9.99 bottles of Chardonnay or Tempranillo. Plus, you get a bottle of Rosé Prosecco for toast.
$14.99, right?
$14.99, I think.
Something.
And then $14.99 that is. And then you get a
Two
bottle.
drinks, which are $12 each.
Right, so it adds up to $185. No matter how you want to do it, it adds up to $185. A lot of people are calling and saying, "Well, we're 3 people. Can I add on another ribeye steak at your regular price?" And absolutely, 100%, you can do that. One person says they don't eat shellfish, so they're getting like mushroom risotto, mushroom mac and cheese instead of lobster mac and cheese. So we can make minor adjustments like that, and of course, you can add on. Those French donuts are amazing. These fruit-filled beignets are like amazing. So you can add those on. They're $3.50 for a half a dozen of these French beignets that are fruit-filled, and they're shipped in from France and from Paris, from one of our good importing companies. They are an amazing product. So that's it, folks. Jamie, you're doing your happy hour live today?
Today is $9.99. Buy one get one free wings.
Buy one get one free wings tonight. Buy one get one free wings. And today's the start of our pulled pork sandwich with roasted potatoes and $9.99. Pulled pork. It's slow smoked. It's in our barbecue smoker. We slow smoke it. Finish it with our house-made barbecue sauce or organic barbecue sauce. It is amazing. We have not had this on for a while. We used to have on our pulled pork sandwich for brunch, and it was $14.99 for brunch when we had it on. So basically, it's going to be almost sort of like the same thing. It's going to be a nice pulled pork sandwich. We'll top it with some cheese and roasted potatoes, $9.99 all week. Tonight, Monday night is buy one get one wings. Jamie will be on later for for her happy hour with Jamie at 4:00. And we are open this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, for grocery pickup only. We won't have the kitchen open like we normally do. We'll be closed to the kitchen Tuesday, Wednesdays. But because groceries are a hot commodity this week, a lot of people want groceries, a lot of grocery orders. We will be open Tuesday and Wednesday. Stock up for New Year's. Those pizzas that we have, those frozen pizzas from Italy are amazing. Like in literally 10 minutes, you will have the best pizza you've ever had coming out of your home oven. And they're like $11? $10.99. So that, you have a couple of those. You have guests coming over, a few of those pizzas. We actually sold out this week. We sold out all of our pizzas this week. So they'll be back in stock tomorrow. But check out our grocery list, aromatimebistro.com. On the top, click where it says grocery list. Mostly everything now has images. It's laid out differently. It's really nice. And it should be a much quicker loading than it was last week. We had to make some modifications to that. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate the support. Appreciate the business. Thank you for everybody that was tuning in. Thomas, Sabrina, Bill, Cheryl, Emily, hi, Kate. Just drop a comment, #live, or if it was on the replay, #replay. And we'll talk to you soon.